Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Sam, and in this episode, we'll dive into the fascinating world of ethics and how it applies to civil engineering. So, whether you're a student, an aspiring engineer, or just curious about the moral principles behind infrastructure, stay tuned. Engineering is an important and learned profession. As members of this profession, engineers are expected to exhibit the highest standards of honesty and integrity. Engineering has a direct and vital impact on the quality of life for all people. Accordingly, the services have a direct and vital impact on the quality of life for all people. The services provided by engineers require honesty, impartiality, fairness, and equity, and must be dedicated to protecting public health, safety, and welfare. Engineers must perform under a standard of professional behavior that requires adherence to the highest principles of ethical conduct. Let's start with the basics. Ethics refers to the principles that govern our behavior, distinguishing between what's right and wrong. Think of it as a moral compass guiding our decisions and actions. A code of ethics is a basic set of values and behaviors intended to be embraced by users so they conduct themselves responsibly, in a flawless manner, with honor and integrity. A code of ethics is typically based on simple concepts that are of value to society as a whole, promote good behavior, foster trust, and result in respect for one another. A code of ethics should be easy to understand and written in general terms, so it can be applied to every situation. Now, let's bring this idea closer to home for civil engineers. Imagine you're building a bridge. It's not just about materials and calculations. It's about ensuring safety, durability, and the well-being of the community. Civil engineers carry a huge responsibility. Their work impacts lives, economies, and the environment. That's why ethical values, like accountability, sustainability, and public welfare, are at the heart of the profession. To guide engineers in upholding these values, organizations like the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers have developed a code of ethics. Let's break it down into its fundamental principles and fundamental canons. The fundamental principles remind us of our commitment to humanity, justice, and professional excellence. Civil engineers should always first, using their knowledge and skills for the enhancement of human welfare and the environment. This principle emphasizes how civil engineers contribute to the betterment of society and the planet. Second, being honest and impartial and serving with fidelity to the public, their employer, employees, and clients. Trust is a cornerstone of the profession, and this principle ensures that honesty and fairness guide every interaction. Third, striving to increase the competence and prestige of the civil engineering profession. By continuously improving skills and upholding high standards, engineers maintain the profession's respect and importance. Lastly, supporting the professional and technical societies of their disciplines. Active participation in organizations like PICE helps foster collaboration and innovation within the field. Conduct themselves honorably, responsibly, ethically, and lawfully to enhance the honor, reputation, and usefulness of the profession. Next, the fundamental canons provide specific ethical rules civil engineers must follow. Let's discuss each one in detail. First, hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, and strive to comply with the principles of sustainable development in the performance of their duties. This means prioritizing public well-being above all else and ensuring projects contribute positively to the environment and society. Second, perform services only in areas of their competence. Engineers must recognize their limits and only take on work they are qualified to handle. Third, issue public statements only in an objective and truthful manner. Misleading information can have serious consequences, so engineers must always communicate with honesty and clarity. Fourth, act in professional matters as faithful agents or trustees and avoid conflicts of interest. Engineers must act in the best interest of their clients or employers, while maintaining professional integrity. Fifth, build their professional reputation on the merit of their services and not compete unfairly with others. Ethical competition fosters trust and upholds the dignity of the profession. Sixth, act in such a manner as to uphold and enhance the honor, integrity, and dignity of the civil engineering profession. Every action should reflect positively on the profession and its contributions to society. Continue their professional development throughout their careers and provide opportunities for the professional development of those under their supervision. Lastly, lifelong learning and mentoring ensure the profession continues to grow and adapt to new challenges. Let's look at some real-world examples where ethics played a key role. The Golden Gate Bridge is an engineering marvel, built with a commitment to safety and longevity. It's a symbol of ethical engineering at its finest. On the flip side, the 1981 Hyatt Regency Walkway collapse in Kansas City highlights the tragic consequences of neglecting ethical standards. Over 100 lives were lost due to design shortcuts. Ethics aren't just guidelines. They're the foundation of trust between engineers and society. As civil engineers, we have the power to shape the world responsibly. Let's use that power wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, great engineering begins with great ethics. See you in the next video.